Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goainu. This is a song sung by Narottam Das Thakur, very stalwart Acharya in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sampradaya, disciplic succession. He has sung many songs, important songs, and his songs are accepted as Vedic conclusion, very authoritative songs. So he says, praying to Lord Krishna, my dear Lord, Hari Hari, I have simply spoiled my life. Hari Hari Bifale Janama. Why you have spoiled your life? He says, Manusya Jivana Paya. I got this human form of life, Radha Krishna Nahuja, but I did not care to worship Radha Krishna. Therefore I have spoiled my life. And how it is? It is exactly like one takes poison knowingly. If somebody takes poison unknowingly, there is excuse. But if somebody takes poison knowingly, it is suicide. So he says, I have committed suicide simply by not worshipping Radha and Krishna in this human form of life. Then he says, GolokaFRONT Premadhana Harinama Sankirtan. This Krishna Consciousness movement, Sankirtan movement, is nothing material. It is directly imported from the spiritual kingdom known as Goloka Vrinda. So GolokaFRONT Premadhana. And it is not ordinary song. It is just the treasure of love of God. So, but I have no attraction for this. Ratina Janmilata. I have no attraction for it. On the contrary, Vishaya Vishanale Divanisi Yaja. And because I did not accept it, therefore, the blazing fire of the poison of material existence is constantly burning. Divanisi Hyajale. Day and night my heart is burning on account of this poisonous effect of material existence. And Torivare na koinu upaya. But I did not seek any remedy for this. In other words, the remedy for this blazing fire of material existence is the Sankirtan movement. It is imported from the spiritual kingdom. And who has imported it? Who has brought it? Then he says, Brajandanandana Jai Sachisuta Hailaj. Brajandanandan, the son of the king of Braja, that is Krishna. Krishna is known as son of Nanda Maharaj. He was king of Brajabhumi. So Brajandanandana, the same personality who was formerly the son of Nanda Maharaj, has now appeared as the son of Mother Sachi. Sachi Sutta Hailo Se. And Balaram Hailo Nitai. And Lord Balaram has become Nityananda. So these two brothers adventing, they are delivering all kinds of fallen souls. Papi tapi jato chilo. As many fallen souls there were within this world, they are delivering them simply by this chanting process. Hariname Uddhani. Simply by this chant. How it is possible? Then he says, Tar Shakki Jagayarma. The living example is the two brothers, Jagai and Madha. The Jagai and Madha, two brothers, they happen to be born in a Brahmin family, but they turn to be divorce number one. Of course, nowadays in these days, their qualification is not considered divorce. Their debauchery was because they were drunkard and woman hunter. therefore they were called devotees. And meat eater also. So, but they became later on delivered by Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda, great devotees. So, Narottam Das Thakur's explanation says that in this age, although people are drunkard, woman hunter, meat eater, and gambler, all kinds of sinful actors, still, if they take to this Krishna Consciousness movement and chant Hare Krishna, they will be delivered, undoubtedly. This is the blessings of Lord Chaitanya. Then, Narottam Das Thakur prays, Haha Prabhu Nanda Sutta Vrusha Bhanu Sutadi. My dear Lord Krishna, you are son of King Nanda, and your consort Radharani is the daughter of King Vrishabhanu. So you are together here standing. Narottamas Dasuk Haye Nathelio Ragapaya. Now I am surrendering unto you. Please do not kick me away or push me away with your lotus feet, because I have no other shelter. I am just taking shelter unto your lotus feet without having any other means. So please accept me and deliver me. This is the seventh substance of this song.